In a Facebook post today, Finance Minister Lawrence Wong said he and his fellow COVID-19 task force co-chairs will be giving an update on Singapore's situation soon.
It follows his statement in Parliament on July the 26th that Singapore will review some restrictions in early August, the midpoint of this Phase 2 heightened alert period.
Accompanied by a picture of someone holding a Singapore flag in Limbang, Mr. Wong wrote, "The pandemic has, quote, shown us what sets Singapore apart. Our unity and community are the backbone of our strength."
In an earlier post, Mr. Wong also said over 38,400 tenants and owner-occupiers will receive funds directly from the government tomorrow, 2 weeks ahead of schedule. The rental support is equivalent to a half month of rent for the period of May 14th to the 29th. Nee Soon Town Council had earlier said it would waive service and conservancy charges and temporary occupation license fees for affected stallholders when Chong Pang Market was forced to close for 2 weeks. It reopened today but to thin crowds, a contrast to the neighbourhood centre outside which was bustling with activity. Hague Road Market and Food Centre was scheduled to reopen today as well, but most stalls were still shut when our Straits Times colleagues visited this morning. A stall owner told them that it will officially open on Saturday, with stall holders cleaning and disinfecting their stalls today and tomorrow. The 2-week no-visit rule kicked in today at all hospital wards, but people were still seen at several hospitals. Most of those were there for outpatient treatment. At Singapore General Hospital, Tan Tock Seng and KK Women's and Children's Hospital, our colleagues saw only a few people at the ward registration counters. A TTSH spokesman said it had communicated the change in visiting policy to all its patients and their families. While over at KKH, there are signs to remind ward visitors of the new rules, plus at least one staff member was stationed at every entry point to the wards. From hospitals to hotels, and as at yesterday, more than 90 hotels here have served as isolation facilities, a jump from around 70 back in May. According to the National Development Ministry, since March last year, these hotels at some point have been used as government quarantine facilities for close contacts or facilities for incoming travellers to serve their SHN. Data from the Health Ministry showed that as at yesterday, around 14,000 people are currently under quarantine. 5,000 of them are serving it in government facilities. Here's a quick update on Singapore's vaccination progress. With National Day around the corner, according to MOH, as at August the 3rd, 64% of the population have been fully vaccinated. This translates to over 3.56 million people.